Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a midweek update of our TFSA trade portfolio. The theme of this week is don't panic and stick with the plan. So we'll get right into the portfolio, but before we do, thanks to everybody that has subscribed to the channel, starts following along. The subscriber base is really growing on this channel, and I really appreciate everybody that's hit that subscribe button to follow along on my Wealthsimple journey. What I'm trying to do is go from $0 all the way up to $100,000 in a Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. Let's get into the portfolio right now. All right, now here you can see our mobile app, Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. We are down, and we have been kind of going down all week. This has not been a great week on the market. Now this is what I am learning is to stick with the plan, do your research on your stocks and the ETFs that you want to purchase, and stick with the plan. Don't kind of panic if prices seem to be going down. Possibly look at that. Now again, if you can afford it, put some more funds into your account to take advantage of those drops if you believe in the stocks or the TFSAs that you are invested in. Now I haven't done any additional deposits this week. The plan is to just kind of do a small deposit each month. So I unfortunately haven't been able to take advantage of any of this, but if it carries on to the next week or so, I will be able to purchase again and add to the portfolio. Let's just do a quick run through. So obviously today when I am filming this, this is Wednesday, we're down about $40 today, 1% on the portfolio. But we'll go through the stocks, see how they did, and then we'll do the long-term lookout on that. And this is where we are still ahead in the long term. We're not fully down on the portfolio. Brookfield Renewable Partners actually was up today, $1.05, which is kind of nice. 2.2% in the past day. We still have 5 shares of that, and the total value today is $2.44, and we actually gained $5.25. Now, Cineplex CGX, this one is not doing the greatest. This one has definitely been up and down. Seems to be more down than up. We are down today 5.18%, $17. But this one we are going to hang on to for the long term. Now, this is the thing, we could kind of panic and sell and take our losses, but this is a long-term investment, 1 year down the road. We'll just hang on to things. And CMC, this is Cielo Waste Solutions. This is another one, definitely is going to be very volatile. We don't have a huge position on here. This is again a long-term investment. But this was actually up today. It was down yesterday, up today. Seems to be the trend that is happening. We are up 6.67%, $9.80. The price right now is $1.13, and our average price is $1.27. This would be a good one. If I had some more money, I probably would have bought yesterday, but I unfortunately didn't have anything in the portfolio. Greenlane Renewables, GRN. This one has been up and down as well. We are down again today. We were actually in the green, and I was thinking of actually selling it and purchasing more of the Cielo Waste Solutions, but I didn't, so I'm just going to keep letting this one ride itself out for the foreseeable future. REI.UN. This one just down a little bit. This one is our good performer. We were down a little bit today, $5.60 on 20 shares, but we're still up 6.04%. So happy with this one. We're going to still receive those regular dividends from REI.UN. TransAlta Renewables, RNW. This one is up and down as well. It actually dropped down. It was about $22 last week, but it's come back up a little bit, just over $20. Seems like everything was down today. Total return now is $4.15 down. Again, we were going to be getting our regular dividends from this one. A long-term hold. We're keeping things as they are. Solar Alliance Energy is 21 cents right now, just over 21 cents. We're down again on this one. This is kind of like, we're just going to let it sit and see what happens on that one. I don't think I'll be purchasing any more of Solar Alliance Energy right now. Telus doing well, 28.76. We have 9 shares of Telus. Always still purchasing this one to kind of build, again, regular dividends coming from Telus. We are still up on this one, 4.40%, which is nice to see. $10.90 on the portfolio. TD, this is the fractional share we have, down just a little bit. We are down 1.81% on that, 38 cents. We only own 0.2501 shares of TD. I'm not going to really put many more purchases into. I was just trying out the fractional shares with TD. VDY, the last, this is our ETF in the portfolio, dividend yield index ETF, and this one has shares of TD within that, so it's kind of not going to double up on things that way. So the VDY down a little bit today, 0.57%, as with everything has been today and yesterday and Monday on the market. But we're still up 2.55%. Let's just go through and show you all all the long term of how we've been going here in the past. So in the week, we can see we are actually down $138.88, 3.76% on the week. It's easy to kind of say, I'm out and panic, but we're just holding things as we go. Because we are on the month, we're just down $36.45, 1% on the month. This is mostly from the equities like Cineplex and Greenlane Renewables going down on that, unfortunately. But 3 months, if we actually look and we see our portfolio as a long term, we are still up 0.53%, 1872, $20 almost. It's okay. We are in for the long investment timeline on this, so we're not too worried about that. 1 year return 0.91%, 31.95. As the market starts to go up, we are going to be seeing the prices go up, and I will hopefully have the chance to purchase some more shares while they are down. I'm not thinking of adding any different positions to the portfolio, but I want to try and take advantage, hopefully next week, if I can transfer some more in, take some advantage if the prices are still down. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, if you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, you can go ahead, click that little subscribe button down below. It is free to follow along, and I appreciate every subscribe, every comment, and every like of the video. If you like the video, as I said, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, well, thumbs down is okay too. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will have another update on the weekend to show how the market is kind of doing. Hopefully things are a little bit better. We'll see how things go. I think we're going to be in for a bit more turmoil up and down for the next little bit, just with everything that's going on in the world right now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you all in the next video.